is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street BREAKS show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
Wall Street.
What's the favorite saying?
Wall Street Pete Crypto and Crypto. If you want to learn how to make Crypto and Crypto, every single day we try to do a video. We try to talk about some crypto news, positivity. If you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, please start waking up on the right side with Wall Street Pete. Crypto in Crypto. Is everybody working? Is the live chat working here? Because I'm having some issues on my end. Trying to see if I can chat into the live here. It shows that I'm there, but it doesn't show much is happening here right now. There we are. Okay, so we are live. All right. Well, every day, like I said, just checking. We got the Walls of Wall Street here. What's up, Matthew? Good morning. Let's get it. Without further ado, we're going to talk about crypto news. I got some important news for you. And I hope you're having a wonderful hump day, right? Crypto in Crypto. Here we are. Just trying to set up, excuse me. It is morning for me as well. Here we are this morning. Big news, if you ask me. Bad news maybe for Ethereum. I don't know. Grayscale launches smart contract fund for Ethereum competitors. This is big news. Digital asset manager Grayscale Investments has unveiled a new cryptocurrency fund dedicated to smart contract platforms, excluding Ethereum underscoring growing investors. So if you pay attention to what's going on right now, Grayscale has smart contract platform X Ethereum fund. What's going on? You can check it out. The company's 18th investment product. And what they have right now, the fund will provide exposure to 7 smart contract platforms at the following weightings. If you were interested in that sort of thing, do believe, as I was not really doing this on purpose to cheers, but we might as well, right? Cardano, 24.6%, leading the way. Wow, Solana, 24%. And as you go amongst this list here, 16, almost 17%, Avalanche, 16, Polkadot, almost 10% for the Polygon, and Algorand at 4. But, well, yeah, XLM, not really considered a smart contract here, but okay, we got that on there at 4%. So Grayscale's right now said the new fund is now open for daily subscription by accredited investors. Ethereum's dominance as the premier smart contract platform is being challenged by competitors that claim to offer superior transaction speeds, lower costs, higher throughout capacity. While Ethereum continues to dominate the decentralized application space, the DeFi industry is becoming a more level playing field. Currently, Ethereum accounts for just over 55.4% of the total value locked. So if you see the TVL, that's what that stands for. On DeFi protocols, down from over 96% in January 2021. So according to DeFi Llama. So if you pay attention here, Ethereum, there it is. And now their chart is showing, and Grayscale's is by far the world's largest digital asset manager with over $36 billion in assets under management as of March 22nd. So if you were wondering what we're talking about, who we're dealing with one of the big wigs, one of the big dogs. So assets under management reached north of $60 billion in November 2021 during the height of Bitcoin's BTC record-breaking rally. So what's going on now is they are now offering some of these big smart contracts that are in competitors, but don't worry, Ethereum is not going anywhere, so please don't lose your mind. Please don't get upset. Total crypto market cap, as you know, the Wolves, we like to talk a little bit about this. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. We're going soon. It was 1.90 trillion market cap this morning when I woke up. Now we are now 1.92, looking bullish. Volume, nothing significant. I'm waiting for that 2.0 trillion to hit. That's what I said in my previous videos. But let's really talk about my previous video, can we? Jasmine. Anybody like Jasmine? Well, listen up pretty good, please, real quick. It's been that long. It's been that long since we had bullish momentum. Here's the Fibonacci sequence. I don't know if you've missed Mr. Fibonacci, but I have. I don't use it really unless we're retracing back down. So here we are. If I go back to my 32, which I doubt, it's going to be my 23. 32, the worst case, is 3 cents. So you're going to go 3-2 on this. This is the worst case scenario. Wall Street Pete's breaking it down for you really quick. Worst case scenario, 3-2. All right, well, that's what he said. And a lot of y'all like to do that, right? A lot of y'all like to do that. If I go back to my 32, which I doubt. So here it is. What did Wall Street Pete do? Because it was getting quiet for a reason. And we're going to check it out. I had it on there, actually. What am I saying? If I go back to my pause, go down, I'm going to see. Oh, actually, it's in here. If I go back to my 32, which I doubt, it's going to be my 23. 32, the worst case. Why did I make that annoying noise? What it is going to be a beeping noise. I don't want anyone to hear it. It's really irritating, so I'm not doing that. But let me show you what the big wick candles did, because I'm not trying to be silly here, but pay attention, definitely mention. I'm going to bring this down real quick, and I want you to see this. Ladies and gentlemen, the meat of the candles on my daily candle, like I said, was going to show for the worst case scenario. So this is what we do every day. That was the last video when I said Jasmine, Bitcoin Ami, I believe it was Matic, Polygon, and a few others. Pay attention, definitely to mention. You hit the like and subscribe. If you hit that like button, if you hit the subscribe, you'll be able to chat with me on the live, on the next feed. Understand, this is what I said. This is what I was showing through the Fibonacci. We are looking now, as if you pay attention, we are looking to break that now. So if we can break that, that would be exciting. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about a candle right here. So we're on the daily right now. I need this daily candle to finish in the next 10 hours and 50 minutes. This would be Jasmine. We're back on one of those altcoins. As I'm going to show you, of course, we're going to go back to Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about why Bitcoin is so important and why Bitcoin is going to be going over here. We're going to talk about it, but let's finish up with Jasmine. I wanted to show some people here. We may get this cup and handle here. It may look a little funky, but let's see what happens. I believe we got it already, which is why I was a little concerned on why we're already hitting resistance so hard. But remember, it's just a daily. But that is a wonderful cup and handle, if you ask me. I thought it was pretty nice. Cup and handle, we called that. I told you 3-2 in the video, so please hit the like and subscribe. None of this is financial advice, of course. Just a gentleman twice as nice trying to help you out with this information. Please, when you trade, be careful. You can be some volatile waves. Emotions can get involved, and you will get whacked. What would we be worrying about? What would we be thinking? I told you before in my previous video and other previous videos, I'm a lunatic. I'm looking to get to the 19 cents. That's just what I'm trying to do. It's going to take a long time. I am not expecting it to do that, but if you do remember the last time we went crazy on that realm area, which was in October, and just in November we were tracing down to it, but if you see coming in October, it was an exciting month coming through and over it. We talked about this. So this is Jasmine. Back now into Bitcoin, right? Big Daddy, this is what we're here for. This is exciting. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, top, bottom, right? Makes sense. The top is going to be 45,000, just roughly about 44 and a half. Seems to be a problem, right? 44 and a half thousand Bitcoin is really a problem. What we do is we could break through the 45,000 level here. I have circled. We are up to a trend which will get us to the 50,000 in April. 50,000 plus as I'm speaking through. Coming right into April. It'd be very exciting. We will talk about that once we get to that range. Obviously, we can't talk much about it if we're not there. We'll just look silly. This horizontal pattern here, this triangle pattern now, can take us down all the way to the 38.9. Yes, that can happen, and we could still be rather bullish. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking at the volume in the bottom here. It is rather bullish. I'm looking for a little more volume, please. Let's see if we can get more volume. It's actually starting to flip a little bearish, but we're going sideways. Sideways was never terrible news for anyone. Perhaps maybe we are going to ride this trend line here on this downward trend here. But it's okay because, right, what's the ultimate trend since January 22nd? We know that it's in the upward trajectory, so let's pay attention to that. Looking for the 45. Once we break this 45, there's going to be 50,000. There's going to be liquidated prices that are shorting, and there could be parabolic moves. I don't really see anything lower than the 38.9. If it does happen, then, of course, you must talk about it. But right now, until the volume continues to cool down, we need some more volume. When I say cool down, it has pretty much done that. It's continuing. It will see the 1.94, 1.95 level. That's when we are considered serious. We'll find out when the market decides to do that. What I want you to pay attention to is this. 24%. There it is, 24%. Cardano. In the last 7 days, pay attention to the rest of the market. Avalanche matching, competing with something in that area. So it's pretty big. Are we getting kicked off? Because I'm looking at my phone here, and it seems like I'm getting kicked off even on my phone because I'm trying to watch the live feed and make sure nothing crazy happens, and I can't get on there. So I don't know what's going on, but... So I got a couple tokens. If you can in the super chat, let me know if you're watching. Let me know if it's working, if everything's going well here. I see the sound's on, everything's going good, but we seem to be having a problem. So everything that was on that list this morning, I want you to see everything that was on that list we spoke about, right? Polkadot, Avalanche, Solana. They're all going to be making the big moves with Grayscale. They're going to be available for the big wigs, the big whales to purchase. I don't know if you understand that this morning in the video when I went over that. Cardano, of course, seems to be reaping the benefits the most out of all of that. Did not do a Cardano video. Anybody in the chat want to go over a token? As I'm hoping that we're still on the air because it's saying that we are not. I wonder if we're having a connection issue. Hope not. If you can, just say something in the chat. Let us know you're here. I'm having a really funky, weird time here with this chat. Wall Street Pete, though, we're going to end this and make this a short video. I do hope that the video is continuing and rolling. There are levels we must talk about when we get to this, and this is no April Fool's, of course. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I was going to ask if anyone wanted to do a token. Cardano is currently getting a nice upward momentum move here. And if you see, it's almost like exactly as predicted. We were down here when we started this. So pretty cool. I actually like this here. The support level is pretty hard and pretty tough at the 81, 82 cents level. Then we proceed to come up through here. We'll see maybe a retracement. Hopefully not under 95 cents here. If we can hold 95 cents when we do a trace and hit resistance, I'll be happy with that price, bouncing off there hopefully and then going up through, which would get us a little further to hopefully the 122. That's kind of where I'm looking to get, see where we can really establish a bullish momentum. It's altcoin season, as I said, so excuse me. So I felt like we're having some issues right now.
Which I doubt it's going to be
hopefully not, but Wall Street Pete, we're here for you with some crypto news. The last news before we go, government Malaysia proposes Bitcoin crypto as legal tender. As we know, El Salvador did this. So pay attention definitely to mention Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Have a wonderful day. I'm just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. New York, New York. I love this place. I miss this place. I will be visiting soon. Everyone have a wonderful day. It is hump day. We got a couple more days to go before the weekend. I'm kind of excited because I believe that we have some bullish momentum, some parabolic moves coming that a lot of people are not aware of. So have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, none of this is financial advice. I hope you do your own research, do your own homework. You'll find that some of this could be great. Sometimes I'm wrong. We'll see. Have a great day.